Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I'm so excited to do this video. I haven't done a unboxing in a while. I think the last unboxing that I did, luxury unboxing is what I'm talking about, were my Louis Vuitton Squad sneaker boot shoes. So I'll have that video linked in the description if you guys want to check that out. But I kind of put a hold on buying luxury items for a while because I was very content with my collection. I didn't see anything that I really wanted. Then I saw this baby and I've been eyeing this baby for a while, like probably since Christmas, but I had just gotten a few new bags. Yeah, and this bag was out of stock anyways, and I just kept checking every day and it finally came back in stock and I got my hands on it. So yeah, I'll have this linked in the description box if you guys want to shop it. But yeah, okay, I'm talking too much. I'm too excited. I literally missed my nail appointment today for this package because I had to be here to sign for it and I missed the last two. So let's get into it. It literally just came. Probably a good thing that I missed my nail appointment because I think I just hurt one of my nails from trying to get that off. So freaking excited. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the receipt, I believe. Yeah, and the tracking label in case I need to return it, which I will not be doing that. So I hate doing this. Like, I hate taking the ribbon off because it's so freaking pretty, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. I'm so excited. I've been like on a Louis Vuitton kick. The bag that I'm currently wearing right now is the Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano that I got a few months ago. Literally, that's the only purse I've been wearing because I'm obsessed with it. So I figured I would get a similar bag, but not too similar. It's a little bit different, but you guys will see. Okay. Are you guys ready? I'll let you look first. Well, I guess we're looking at the same time. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's so pretty. This is the Louis Vuitton loop bag in the regular monogram print. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. It reminds me a lot of the Prada bags. So yeah, I like the shape of it. Oh, okay. So I'm a little confused. So it came with another strap. So I'm not sure if that like means that okay. I think that's what we do. I don't know. I didn't know it came with another strap. I'm not mad about it. I thought it was just this one, but then it makes sense because on the online picture, it shows like a little gold chain like dangling down. Okay. So I could wear it like crossbody? Okay. I'm really confused, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna look on Louis Vuitton's website. Okay. Never mind, I'm dumb. I knew it came with a strap. Yeah, so it's got the little chain and then you've got that strap. So I'm gonna have to like adjust that. I don't know if you just wear this like as a shoulder bag. Yeah, and then it also shows you can just use this chain. So it's kind of like the Prada bags. I'm gonna have to play around with this because I don't know what I'm doing. Is this adjustable? It's gotta be because this is too long. Oh, I see. There we go. All right, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm obsessed with this. I'm just confused on why you would need the longer adjustment because I'm not sure how that would work. Sorry guys, my SD card was full. I'm gonna have to get a new one. Well, this is a different one, but I don't know why it was full because it shouldn't be. There's only one video on it. But anyways, so here's what it looks like crossbody. My heart is so happy now knowing that you can wear it crossbody. I was fully okay with just having it as a little shoulder bag with even just the chain. And so like, it makes it so much better that I have this as an option, shoulder, the chain as an option for the shoulder, and then also a crossbody. And I can adjust it to be longer, but I like this length. I'm freaking obsessed. This is perfect. And it looks like it can probably hold a lot. It's got this little pocket. And yeah, obviously the inside as well. So I'm very happy with it. I love the monogram. I love the shape. I love how it has the little gold chain. And Oh my gosh, new favorite bag alert. All right, you guys, so that is it for this Louis Vuitton unboxing. Sorry if it was kind of all over the place, but I really wanted to do this video for you guys because I think it's so freaking cute. And yeah, this is my first impressions on it. I love everything about this bag. And like I said, I've been wearing my Nano Speedy for the past few months and it's gotten so dirty because I literally take it to the bars with me. And so yeah, I needed another bag that was similar to that I could like actually take care of, because that one is just like my beater bag. But yeah, I'm so obsessed. Like, look how freaking cute. So I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. It's definitely an investment, but I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bag. And I think it's perfect for the spring and summer. I mean, it's perfect for year round, but I don't know. I just think it's such a cute little bag. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell, upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen and also listed and linked in the description box below. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this bag. If you guys have it, if you're gonna be picking it up, which way would you guys wear it if you did have it, and all that fun stuff. I'm currently on a monogram kick right now. So yeah. All right, I love you guys so much and I hope to see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.